What's up, guys? Today we have a very cool product. This is the Arpha keypad deadbolt and door knob. So it's a smart lock and it has a lot of features. One of the main features, it does have a touch control. You can do pin passwords and you can program to auto lock itself. So let me show you what we get inside the box. Inside the box, we get the keypad, which is Arpha branded right here. As you guys can see, we have the numbers for the keypad. We also have a key entry, so you can open with the key. The back piece is also very nice. This is what it looks like. You insert your batteries right here. You can unlock it and lock it right through there. Comes with all the accessories that you need to set it up. You get the keys, you get the accessories you need to set it up, and the screws right here. So we're gonna set that up. And another box, we actually get the handle as well. So the doorknob for the bottom piece of your door. So you also get all the accessories in this box to set it up. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna set it up and we're gonna show you how it works. Check it out, guys. So we have our Arpha smart lock installed in this door. We don't need the handle here, but it works really nice. You can set up your unique code. It does have an app that you can download to program it as well, but it's super easy to use. And as you guys can see, it'll glow green. Once it glows green, it'll unlock. Let's say you're leaving home. You can either lock it with the key or you can literally just press this lock button and then the deadbolt will come out. Press this button and it'll unlock. So overall, it's a very clean layout and a very easy install from this Arpha smart lock. We just wanted to show you guys a close-up. We really hope this video helps you guys out. And as you guys can see, it auto locks on its own as well. So after a few seconds, once you close the door, it'll auto lock as well.